Hey everyone, welcome to the Crush Collection. Meredith and I have picked out 4 amazing wines for our very first collection. And each one of these made the cut for one reason, and you know the rule. They were delicious. Just loving these wines. And we know what wines that all of us are going to need going into the holidays. So here's what we've got. This shipment's white wine we're featuring is Domenica Amato Grenache Blanc.
Delicious.
Michael's grandmother from her passport.
Yeah.
Cheers.
A toast to our first shipment.
Yeah, and our first loves.
First loves. The Parables in Red Pinot Noir.
Yum.
Cheers.
Cheers.
An Argentinian Malbec.
Yes. So look forward to our Orinda Haze Central Coast Cabernet Sauvignon that's freaking everybody out how great it is.
Cheers.
Cheers.